Hello you Unreal devs! I'm really happy to announce the release of my first software made with Unreal Engine 4, the Unreal Music Player, which is designed for music streamers. If you scroll through YouTube searching for live radio, you'll find some channels that run constantly, but some of them, they miss something. There's only one image and no title at all, so if you want to know the song name, you either have to guess from a list like this, or in some better cases you can check this by typing a chat comment. But there are also streamers who provide more than just that, and I really like that. That's why I created this software. The main advantage of the program is that you don't have to bring up any menu or interrupt the music player in any way to change your content. You simply maintain the data that's in the two folders, songs and backgrounds, and the program will automatically detect those changes and refresh the content in background, logging everything into the info log. The data check happens every 60 seconds or at the end of the song to prevent stutter by big amount of files. Another cool thing about it is that the app is portable. No installation is needed to use the app, so you don't have to worry about any admin rights. It should be prepared for many different situations, even if something should go wrong. There are different timers you can maintain, some of them are responsible to check if everything is okay. Some can be disabled when you're set up, so you can be sure there will be no stutter from the timers that perform some piece of code in the background. Also, the overlay is simple but fully customizable. Everything besides timers is saved, so whenever you open up the app, everything looks exactly the same. For the top bar you can set up to 5 messages that will be constantly changing. They are restricted to 75 characters because of the bar length. For now, it's static. There's also much other stuff that needs improvements from my side, but I will keep you updated on my Discord. Oh, and if there's anything you don't understand, I place tooltips everywhere and also a little help button to get straight contact with me. Isn't that cool? So basically it's a software to play music and show backgrounds that you select. Please always pay attention to the license or else you may get in trouble. I do not take any responsibility for users that do not respect the license. I provide a software interface that allows you to play music and show backgrounds of your choice. Therefore, it's also your responsibility to be aware of the license type. If we have that behind us, a quick show up on how you should use it. First, get some content for the folder so the player can play and show anything. Configure the player so it looks lovely to you, edit the sliding text and the top bar messages, and hit the H button to hide the config panel. Then start a streaming software of your choice and become a famous and amazing music streamer right now. I hope you like the software and that you'll find it useful. The source code will be available probably on the marketplace soon, but first I need to organize blueprints and assets to eventually get approved. The software is free to use. Spread the word if you know someone who may find a use of it. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Peace.